Hello everyone. Welcome back to Mr. K English Channel. I'm Kay and I'm here with Bunny.
Hi everyone, I'm Bunny. Nice to see you again.
Today's topic is learning English in a coffee shop. We'll practice short, natural sentences you can use right away. Bunny, how are you today?
I'm good, Kay. A little sleepy, but I'm happy.
Same here. Did you drink coffee this morning?
Yes, I had an iced latte.
Nice. I had a hot Americano.
Do you usually study English in a coffee shop?
Yes, sometimes. It's quiet and I like the atmosphere.
Me too, but I get distracted by the smell of pastries.
That is a real problem.
So today, we'll learn English and also try not to order too much cake.
Exactly. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And leave a comment. Where are you watching from?
Also tell us, what is your favorite coffee? Step 1. Go into the cafe, find a seat. Hi, is it okay if I sit here?
Hi, is it okay if I sit here?
Is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Do you have Wi-Fi?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
What's the Wi-Fi password?
Where is the restroom?
Where is the restroom?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's not. Go ahead.
Thank you. Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the receipt.
Great, thanks. Step 2. Look at the menu. Ask for suggestions. Can I see the menu, please?
Can I see the menu, please?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
What's popular here?
What's popular here?
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
What's the difference between a latte and a cappuccino?
Is this sweet?
Is this sweet?
Is this strong?
Is this strong? Hi, what do you recommend?
Our iced latte is very popular.
Is it sweet?
It's mildly sweet. You can choose no sugar, too.
Perfect.
Step 3. Basic order. Hot, cold, size, sugar, ice.
Now we practice ordering. Repeat. I'd like a latte, please.
I'd like a latte, please.
Can I get an iced Americano?
Can I get an iced Americano?
Hot or iced?
Hot or iced?
Small, medium, or large?
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Medium, please.
No sugar, please.
No sugar, please.
Less ice, please.
Less ice, please.
Can I have that to go?
Can I have that to go?
For here, please.
For here, please.
Mini dialogue. Hi, I'd like an iced Americano, please.
Sure, small, medium, or large.
Medium, please.
Any sugar?
No sugar, please. Less ice, please.
Got it. For here or to go?
For here, please.
Step 4. Advanced customization. Milk, decaf, add shot, syrup.
Can I get it with oat milk?
Can I get it with oat milk?
Can I get it with almond milk?
Can I get it with almond milk?
Can I get it decaf?
Can I get it decaf?
Can I add an extra shot?
Can I add an extra shot?
Can I add vanilla syrup?
Can I add vanilla syrup?
How much is an extra shot?
How much is an extra shot? I'd like a latte, please.
Sure.
Can I get it with oat milk?
Yes, of course.
Can I add an extra shot?
Yes, it's $1 extra.
That's fine, thank you.
Step 5. Side dishes. Bread, sandwiches, quick options.
I'll take a croissant, please.
I'll take a croissant, please.
Can I get a blueberry muffin?
Can I get a blueberry muffin?
Do you have anything without nuts?
Do you have anything without nuts?
Is this gluten-free?
Is this gluten-free?
I have an allergy.
I have an allergy.
Would you like any food?
Yes, I'll take a croissant, please.
Any allergies?
Yes, I have an allergy. Do you have anything without nuts?
Yes, this croissant has no nuts.
Great.
Step 6. Payment methods. Cash, card, tip, bill. How much is it?
How much is it?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay by card?
Can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
Do you take Apple Pay?
Do you take Apple Pay?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please? How much is it?
It's $8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Thanks. Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course.
Step 7. Receiving the order. Ask for the name, check if the order is ready, correct any incorrect orders.
What name should I put?
What name should I put?
It's Kay, K-A-Y.
It's Kay, K-A-Y.
Is my order ready?
Is my order ready?
Excuse me, I think this is not mine.
Excuse me, I think this is not mine.
I ordered an iced latte, not a hot latte.
I ordered an iced latte, not a hot latte.
No problem, we can remake it.
Thank you so much.
Step 8. Stay and study. Ask for a power outlet, have a quiet conversation with the staff.
Can I use that outlet? Can I use that outlet? Is it okay if I work here for a while?
Is it okay if I work here for a while?
I'll be quiet.
I'll be quiet.
Do you mind if I take this seat?
Do you mind if I take this seat? Hi, is it okay if I work here for a while?
Yes, that's fine.
Can I use that outlet?
Sure.
Thank you. I'll be quiet.
No worries. Enjoy.
Step 9. When talking to strangers, be friendly and polite. Very important.
In a coffee shop, you can practice English politely. Repeat. Excuse me, is this your charger?
Excuse me, is this your charger?
Do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
I'm studying English. Is it okay if I practice with you?
I'm studying English. Is it okay if I practice with you?
Just for 1 minute.
Just for 1 minute.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you for your time.
Mini dialogue. Excuse me, do you come here often?
Yeah, I do. I like this place.
Nice. I'm studying English. Is it okay if I practice with you? Just for 1 minute.
Sure, 1 minute is fine.
Great. What do you usually order?
I usually order a cappuccino.
Awesome. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Step 10. Common situation. Too sweet, too bitter, want a change of pace. It's too sweet for me.
It's too sweet for me.
It's too bitter.
It's too bitter.
Can I get less sugar next time?
Can I get less sugar next time?
Could I exchange this?
Could I exchange this?
Can you make it less sweet?
Can you make it less sweet? Excuse me, it's a little too sweet for me.
I'm sorry about that. Do you want less sugar?
Yes, please. Can you make it less sweet?
Sure, we can remake it.
Thank you.
Step 11. English practice mode. Sample sentences for loop practice.
Now we do a practice loop. I say a sentence, you repeat. Then Bunie answers. Round 1. I'd like an iced latte, please.
I'd like an iced latte, please.
Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. Round 2. Can I get it with oat milk?
Can I get it with oat milk?
Sure. Anything else? Yes. An extra shot, please. Round 3. For here, please.
For here, please.
Your total is $7.25. Can I pay by card? Round 4. Can I get a receipt, please?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Of course. Here you go. Thank you. Round 5. Excuse me, I think this is not mine.
Excuse me, I think this is not mine.
Oh, sorry. What did you order? I ordered an iced latte, not a hot latte. Great job. Keep repeating these rounds. Recap. Let's recap the key sentences. Repeat after us.
Is this seat taken?
What do you recommend? I'd like a latte, please.
Hot or iced?
Medium, please.
No sugar, please.
Less ice, please.
Can I get it with oat milk?
Can I add an extra shot?
Can I pay by card?
Can I get a receipt, please?
Is my order ready?
Excuse me, I think this is not mine.
Could you remake it, please?
If you can say these, you can survive in any coffee shop.
Now your turn. Comment below. What do you usually order at a coffee shop?
Write one sentence. For example, I usually order an iced Americano. Thanks for learning with us on Mr. K English channel.
Practice these sentences today, even if you are at home.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.